This is a lightweight shredder for making fish feed. After it's shredded into powder, it'll go straight into the pellet making machine shown in a different video. Of course, welcome to Lifehack Partner, enjoy the video.
Alright, let's get started. After making the blade shaped like the ICRC Red Cross symbol, we'll install it and test its rotation. Just a quick note, the size should match the container you plan to use. For example, if you're using a pot with a 22-inch diameter, make the blade just a bit smaller so it fits inside smoothly. Once we've confirmed that the shredder blade and pot are properly sized, we'll move on to the next step, assembling the grinder, blade, and pot. Once everything fits just right, we'll proceed to build the support frame. Alright, we're still going. Next, we'll cut a length of threaded rod to use as a hinge between the pot and its support frame. This lets the pot and grinder move smoothly up and down, acting like a built-in stirrer. Alright, what do you think of the music? Pretty cool, right? Now, let's move on to building the base frame. Just go with whatever size looks good, no strict rules, as long as it looks clean and balanced. We're using 30 centimeters angle iron for the base frame. Alright, let's start assembling, folks. First, we attach the pot and the grinder together. Then mount the whole setup onto the support frame that's already connected to the base. By the way, if you still want to use your grinder in your workshop, no worries. You can easily detach it, since it's designed to be portable. Once everything's set, we'll power it on and start shredding a few different ingredients. Alright, that's it. Friends from Lifehack Partner. We've wrapped up building our DIY shredder. Give it a try yourself. Happy building. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.